Saravjeet Sandhu from saravjeetsandhunetwork.com, and I help entrepreneurs get result faster in their online business with tools and strategies available online. And so today I am going to share with you how to share your screen on Facebook without any software. So this is something new which I have used in my group. So for that, right now I will be flipping my screen so that you will be able to see my laptop. So I'll be giving shout out later on when I finish my live. So right now I'm going to flip the camera and show you my screen, how you can share right from your live button, how you can share your screen. So let's flip the camera button. I'm gonna flip the screen. Hey Shamela, how are you? Nice to see you here. So right now I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on Facebook without any software. Before I was using software, I have two software which I was using. One is just broadcasting, and that cost me only $20 for 1 year. I paid upfront in the beginning of the year, and I love that software. And but that takes little bit time, you have to spend little bit time to go live on that. And another one which I have never used is right on my desktop. I forgot the name, but I have never used it. I never even liked it. Hello Shazia, how are you? Let me know where are you watching me from. I love knowing where somebody is watching me from, and thank you guys all for joining me. So right now I will be flipping the screen so that you can look at my laptop, and I will show you how you can go go live and share your screen right away. So let's flip. Hopefully you are able to see my screen. Yes, if not, then let me know. Okay, you are from UK, that is so nice. Somebody from other continent, you are joining me from there. So right now you are able to see my screen. Hello Ravinder, hello Adele, how is everyone today? So right now you are able to see my laptop screen, and on my laptop screen I will be showing you where you have to go to click live. So once you are here, when you are going to click your status, you are seeing this live video button, right? And when you click live over here, the screen is going to pop up with all the options here. So right now you are going to see even me on my laptop, because behind my cell phone is my laptop. So over here you are looking at the options: FaceTime, HD camera, share screen, default internet. And right now when you click this share screen, the middle one over here, share screen, when you click it, once you click it, you are going to be shown a option to download a extension, Facebook sharing screen extension. Right now when I click, you are not going to see that because I have already done that. But once you click over here share screen, you are going to see option download an extension, Facebook screen sharing extension. When you download, and it's gonna be, then you have to see that it is over here on your browser. Once you download, you are gonna be seeing it as extension on your Google Chrome browser. So right now over here you see I have this extension, Facebook screen sharing extension. It is showing for me right now because I have already done that. But once you guys do click share screen over here, you are going to get the option, then download that. and once you download, then you will be able to go and click and share your screen right away. So this is how you can share it. Over here I have a couple of other extensions. This is for YouTube, and this is for YouTube Buddy, and this is for my website. So I have a couple of other extensions. I'm going to get rid of this notification, then that way you can see. So over here it is Facebook screen sharing extension on your Google Chrome. So this is how you are able to share your screen. So right now I am going to flip back to my face so that you see me, and let me know how did you like that. Hey Carol, how are you? So I hope it is clear to you that how you can share your screen on the Facebook. You have to download an extension, and once the extension is downloaded, it is added to your Chrome, and it is going to show you on the top of your browser, small F sign it is going to show. So that is showing that you have downloaded the extension and you have added it to your Chrome. Once it is added, then you click the button go live. In the go live button there is the option share screen, and click that. That way you are able to share your screen. So whenever I wanted to share my results inside my group, I use that and I liked it. This is something new Facebook has rolled out, and I'm liking it. So I have a software too to share my screen. Okay, let me read it. Is it only on laptop? No, it is on cell phone too. I checked. It is on laptop, it is on cell phone. Right now I checked it, but you have to see it is there for in your time zone, because when Facebook rolls out things, it is available in different time zones, because they keep working to be available in all the time zones. So you have to see it is available on your cell phone. When I checked, it was available, and it is available on my timeline too, inside my group too. So you have to check. It is a good and cool feature. So I hope it is clear. Is there any other question? Then let me know and drop in the comment section, and I will see you again guys with another something new feature. And you're welcome, very welcome. If you have any other question, just let me know. Hey Shondell, Shondell is in the house. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you guys again for with another cool tip. So have a great day everyone, and bye bye, and I love you all. If there is any question, just let me know. Thanks for the heart, thanks for the like, and bye. Have a great Tuesday.